Put 100 racks in my jeans. Diamonds they never flown, you see. I spent 100 tens on my jeans. Call me still Audemars, SAP. I'ma go plain Jane for the meat. Call me now hottie under my seat. Soon as I pull up, we clean the scene. Nigga, I'm about pesos. Real nigga with a J go. Boom boom, you lay low.
I rap my man's mixtape, man, that shit relax. By the time I turn that off. Hey, look, man. What's good, YouTube? Another vlog. Probably, I don't know what I'm about to do, man. Y'all know how I am, bro. Like, y'all be getting this thing, like, twisted. But look, man, we about to shoot this. Arab, y'all already know, man. I'm gonna explain that in the next video, but I'm gonna do the Chick-fil-A and Popeyes sandwich today. Hopefully it don't take long, but this is like the little vlog. I'm gonna do a separate video with that, all right? But I'm gonna do it with that with Lee. So right now, what I'm about to do is I'm about to head up to y'all don't even know where I'm going. Y'all don't even know where I'm going. But yeah, we about to go somewhere right now. When I get there, I'll let y'all know. I'll turn this camera back on the gang.
Look, we here.
Yeah, man, it's the big day. It's a big day, man. Big day. You about to try the sandwich? You ready? I'm ready.
Look back there. You got the whole street, you know.
Yeah. It's a little oh, my bad, man. I ain't know you was coming out, bro. We about got in the wreck for a sandwich. The little mini coupe. I don't know where he about to
look, he finna get out.
How the fuck he about it?
Yo, she about to hit. She not finna hit you. Yo, that's wild, bro. How is that drug even fit?
Dude, I don't know, bro. Let me go up. What the fuck?
I'm gonna get one of them now.
And then look, we going Chick-fil-A right after. Look at this. She tired. Back aching. She wanna go home.
My
Look, and me, bro, if I was working right now, I'll go smoke like 5 cigarettes and then I'll go back inside. Look, I'm about to get y'all a look at it.
about to smack your head. She gonna smack your head.
If she look this up, I'm putting this shit down quick. I hope y'all can see her.
Bro, she stressed up.
Y'all going to Popeyes?
Nigga, we at Popeyes right now. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hiya.
How
you doing?
How you doing? Talk your stuff, man. You gotta get in the camera.
Hey, man.
Go follow me on the gram at TreyGoCrazy3, you know what I'm saying? And follow my YouTube channel or subscribe to the game, Trey Go Crazy ENT, you know?
Okay.
Going up, coach.
What else?
What else? Oh, and I'm going D1, you know, future 5-star, you know? What else?
Hey, old girl hit me up about you.
Who?
Tiana Trump.
Oh, for real?
Hold on, let me move up. Let me tell you what she said, bro. She said, you know, Trey go crazy. I like, yeah. She said, she said slide on her DM and she gonna get you right.
I'm trying to slide in more than her DM.
What else you trying to do? Bro, this nigga's a crackhead. I keep. What else you trying to do, bro?
Look how I'm looking in the camera.
Oh. Hey, Trey.
Yes, sir.
So what's up with old girl then?
Who?
Your girl.
My girl.
Yeah. I said my girl.
Girl?
Your girl, man. Come on, stop playing.
Hey, come on, man. Who that be?
Alright, bro. I don't drop names now.
I'm talking about,
Oh, got it in the vlog. So that what that say right there? Does that say
Say sold out of chicken sandwiches.
they lying, bro? I'm not playing with them.
y'all niggas heard.
Nah, bro. I'm finna let them have it.
How long y'all been waiting in line?
Just it only been like
10.
yes.
Is it
10
another
minutes.
one near here?
Nah, bro. I think it's the only one in Greensboro. It's more.
They got Bessemer Avenue
That's
and Pigsty
another
Church.
12 minutes.
And Pigsty Church. Man, it's that bush. Go ahead, ask him, man. Well, y'all show y'all the chicken. Well, y'all show y'all the chicken.
This is a test for the next 60.
Popeyes.
Are y'all sure y'all added chicken sandwiches?
Yes, we're sold out of sandwiches.
Oh my god. Okay, look, I got some chicken right here with me. And y'all got any buns?
We can't give out no buns.
Yeah. Alright, that's cool. Hey look, y'all have a good day. I might just go to Chick-fil-A. That shit wrong, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, y'all.
I love you.
I'm gonna fuck with you.
You should have been like, you go follow. You should have been like, you go follow. You should have been like, you go follow me on Instagram.
That's crazy.
She might be some chicken. That's BS. How they out of that?
Y'all done stole all the chicken sandwiches.
Yeah.
Hey, you might have to call them, bro.
Call who? They're not gonna. They probably not gonna tell me what the best one.
Yeah. We can go try it. They see you
gonna
doing that
they
dumb
gonna like
shit.
me for that.
All right, bro. We had a second one.
Why that window down, man? You apologize to the patient.
What? No. Hello?
Popeyes, how can I help you?
So y'all have no sandwiches here either?
We're sold out.
Shit. All right. Thank you so much. I'm gonna fool with you.
Yo, we can't get these junks.
Nah, bro.
How do people sell a whole city out of some chicken sandwiches?
Bro, I'm finna go ape shit, man. We just drove 15 minutes over here.
You drove 20-something an hour, right?
Yeah. I don't know where I'm about to go now.
2 different locations. It's Popeyes sandwich up for y'all, man. But
I don't know what's up, bro, but look, man, I'm about to be late. Let me turn that off, man. Yeah, y'all gonna watch the video. We had the Miss Winters. We had this. I can't even talk, bro. We had the Miss Winters little chicken sandwich, but it wasn't enough. So I'm here at Chick-fil-A. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go work this volleyball game in a little bit, and I'm about to be late. I'm supposed to be there at I'm supposed to be there at 5:40, the latest. ATL, not ATL. What he be saying, Jamal? What he be saying? ATR at the ready. You know what I'm saying? Coach gonna be on my ass because I know I'm about to be there late. But it's okay, man. It's okay. I gotta get some eats. He probably gonna see this too. No, you ain't. Chandler, you ain't gonna see that, boy. See what time it is, man. This spot. Look, I am late. But get what, Cole? Get what? What I'm gonna do to you right here, Lila? Where you at? I can't say all my messages, Lila. Oh, how you do this? How you do this, bruh? Oh, I ain't see that. Oh. Show y'all boys a real sandwich right there. Yes, sir. Show y'all boys a real sandwich. So your name Jamala?
I went there 2 times and they said about chicken, so I just said, fuck, I'm not doing no more.
The same thing happened to me. I tried to get it today.
I'm wasting my gas going in there. I'm not going there no more.
No more. I learned my lesson. I said no.
And now it's so.
Hey, look, Ma.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, I got the vlog out right now, man. Niggas want to know where you at. Talk to him.
Oh, you doing all right now?
Yeah, you doing all right. Hey, look, man, we got Ma on the speakerphone right now, man. Everybody say what's good to Ma.
Let's see.
Oh, what up, gangsters? What up, gangsters?
What up, gangsters? Hold on, John. Say, look, hey, gang, tell them where you at, bro.
Oh, you know, I'm in Jersey. I'm just vibing, chilling, you know, enjoying my summer and shit.
You know, I feel like you locked up somewhere. You locked up.
I feel like I am too.
Yeah, exactly. I gotta put some money on your books. Tell them you gonna be home soon. Hey, cause niggas been asking about you, bro. You're like, where Mal at? Yeah, where Mal? Yeah, but y'all see it, man. Gang good, man. He up there chilling in Hosstown. Hey, tell everybody in Hosstown I said it was good, man. I'm gonna be up there soon.
Oh, wow, yeah, I'll tell everybody.
I say, yeah, my niggas, Jake, Luke, and all them goddamn crackers.
Thanks, though.
They my guys, man. Them was funny as hell. John, guess what? The floor is lava. Oh, what you do?
I had the camera.
I had a camera.
Nobody had my camera. It's payback time for you.
All right, man, I'm done. All right, YouTube. Hey, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and you already said it. A subscribe, man. Y'all know. Please subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'm gonna hit y'all with a new video soon on the gang. I hope you're feeling the way. Fuck you say. I mean, at the end of the day.
I know that you feeling no way. Fuck what you say. I need a $1 million a day. I need my roof in the trunk. Roll up the funk. We can get high as a blimp. Why I sell all of my limbs? I don't have friends. I cannot see them through tents. Pull up, I push it to start. Cameras depart. Lit, point like a dart. Niggas ain't running no heart.